The TR Register are all set up and ready to go for the NEC Restoration Show. Here they are, and this is an interesting car that is debuting here at the show, and it is the TR7 loan car that has recently been donated to the TR Register and will be loaned out as part of the National Youth Loan Car Scheme project to a young person who would like to experience TRs for the first time. So the car being launched here at the NEC this weekend. It has been donated, it does need recommissioning, but the club will be recommissioning the car, ready for unveiling it at the Triumph and MG weekend in Stafford in August 2022, 19th to 21st of August. More details, triumphandmgweekend.com if you fancy coming. So really good to see this car here on the stand, and we'll be learning more about this as we follow its progress in TR Action magazine. This, of course, is TS2, chassis number 2, the first ever right-hand drive production TR built, and it is owned in trust by the TR Register, and it's just about to embark on a round Britain relay run, going around Britain between all of the local groups, all 53 of them, in the TR Register, and its relay run starts in April, so this is its last time here on the stand before it goes out around the country. And then a new thing for the TR Register stand at the NEC Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show for 2022. This TR6 is in this sort of stage that's been built here with a TV screen and workbenches and a PA system, because this car is going to be completely rebuilt during the course of the show. And hopefully there'll be lots of interest, lots of encouragement from the crowds here, as the car is going to have a complete new rear suspension, complete new front suspension, and lots of other work done to it as well. And we'll be demonstrating that to the audiences here at the NEC and showing them some of the tricks of the trade when working on TRs. That is the stand then here at the NEC for the Practical Classics Classic Car Restoration Show 2022. Come and see us this weekend.